Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Movie Review Sentiment Prediction using Neo-based ML algorithm. The main objective of this project is to utilize the Neo-based machine learning algorithm to predict the sentiment of movie review. The project involves analyzing the IMDb movie reviews data to classify the sentiment as either positive or negative. To enhance the accuracy of prediction, such as removing stop words, applying stemming, and limitations are employed. The aim of this project is to create a sentiment prediction system specifically designed for movie reviews. The Neo-based machine learning algorithm is utilized for this project. The algorithm is trained on IMDb movie review dataset, and the dataset is pre-processed and generalized for the model to get an accurate result. These are the basic requirements that are needed to build this project. Hardware requirements are operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement: Python IDEL with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload IMDb Movie Reviews Dataset. In this module, we can upload the IMDb Movie Review Dataset, which will be used to train the algorithm, and the dataset will be split into the training and testing part. The second module is Pre-processed Dataset. In this module, the data undergoes the pre-processing step to clean and prepare the review for analysis. This involves removing the stop words, which are commonly used words that do not carry significant meaning, and applying the stemming and limitation technique to standardize the test and reduce word variations. And the third module is TF-IDF vectorization. In this module, the pre-processed reviews are transformed into the numeric feature vectors using the term frequency inverse document frequency algorithm. It calculates the importance of each word in the review by considering both the frequency of the word within a review and its rarity along the reviews. And the fourth module is Run Neo-based algorithm. In this module, the Neo-based algorithm is applied to the TF-IDF vector to train a sentiment prediction model. Neo-based is a probabilistic classifier that makes prediction based on the assumption of feature independence. It calculates the probability of a review belonging to a particular sentiment class, like of positive or negative, and select the sentiment with the highest probability. And the final module is Predict the sentiment from the test data. In this module, you can input new test data such as movie review to predict their sentiment using the trained Neo-based model. This model will analyze the TF-IDF vector of the test data and provide the prediction of the sentiment associated with the reviews. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The first one contains of the IPYNB file, and the dataset folder consisting of the test dataset and the IMDb dataset, and the model folder consisting of NPY files which contain the algorithm's information. These files can be loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks such as making predictions on new data. And the movie review sentiment is a main code Python file, and the run is a bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created the Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. This is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. Now click on Upload IMDb Movie Review Dataset button. By this, we are redirected to the dataset folder, and here select the IMDb dataset and click on Open button. By this, we can see that our dataset is loaded, and click on Pre-processed Dataset button. By this, the dataset is pre-processed, and each review, we can see that removing of stop words and special symbols were applied by using the stemming and limitation technique. Now, clean the by using the TF-IDF vectorization button. By this, the TF-IDF vectorization, we are extracting the numeric features, that is average frequency of each word occurrence from the reviews, and these are the absolute ascent accept of some of the rows, and the total number of rows and columns is of 5 cross 1000, and the total reviews found in the dataset is of 50,000, and the dataset is divided into the training and testing part, where 80% of dataset is of used for training, that is 40,000, and 20% of dataset is used for testing, that is of 10,000, and click on Run Naive-Bayes Algorithm button. By this, the Naive-Bayes algorithm model is generated with of confusion matrix, where x-axis represents the predictor class and the y-axis represents of true class. And in this graph, we can see of 4141 reviews correctly predicted, and as 1186 are of incorrectly predicted, and 3843 are correctly predicted positive, and 815 are incorrectly predicted. And close this matrix. And here the Naive-Bayes gives the precision of 80%, recall of 79%, F-score of 79%, and accuracy of 79%. And click on Predict Sentiments from the test data. Here it redirected to the dataset folder, and we need to select the test review and click on Open button. By this, we get a screen like this. This is the test review or test record, and this test record is predicted sentiment as of positive, and for this test record the predicted sentiment is of negative. In this way, we can predict the sentiment by using the Naive-Bayes algorithm for the movies. And click on Metrics Comparison Graph button. By this, we get a graph where x-axis represents the different metrics that were calculated in this Naive-Bayes algorithm, and the y-axis represents of the value assigned for the each metric. And close this graph. In this way, we can predict the movie review sentiment by using the Naive-Bayes algorithm. In conclusion, the Naive-Bayes machine learning algorithm proved to be effective in predicting the sentiment for movie review. The system achieved accurate result by processing the dataset, including removing the stop word and applying the stemming and limitation. The feature extraction using the TF-IDF vectorization further improved the prediction performance. This project demonstrates the potential of machine learning for sentiment analysis in the movie reviews.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.